Hey guys, what's up? Dylan Hargraves here, and this is Hardtick Zone. Alright, so for today's video, I'm just doing a quick hack just to show off a few tricks for you guys. Alright, so basically, what this is a Wi-Fi hack. And to do this hack, you're going to need to be on the Wi-Fi network that you want to hack. So, if I go to my Wi-Fi, you can see that I'm already connected. Alright, then what you're going to do is you're going to need to go to your browser. Right, so that's my browser. And you're going to need your IP address. So just type that in if you don't know what it is. It'll be the top address there. Alright, then you just take your address. You then go here to a new tab, paste your address, and click the enter button. And you'll come to this little tab here. So now, generally, people don't change this. So if they've changed it, you're not going to be able to do this. But if they haven't changed it, then you can mess around with their network. So what you want to put under here is admin. No capitals. At the bottom, you're going to put admin again. And then you're going to log in. And you can see that I've just logged into the router. So now I can go to management, right? These are all different, so none of these are going to look the same, but they should all kind of be similar. So I'm going to go to management, and the reason I'm doing this actually is because my router is being quite slow right now, and I want it to go faster. So I'm using it for that purpose. So this is for educational purposes, but you can use it to mess with friends, reroute their Wi-Fi while they're busy using it. You know what you can do with it, all that funny stuff. Alright, this here is this DHCP. These are all the devices connected to your network. So you can see there's my device right there, the Galaxy Note 9, and there's my laptop. So now if you take this MAC address, copy that address, and then you go down to wireless, MAC filter, and add that in here, you can actually deny the device from connecting to the network, and obviously kick that person off. And I'll make a detailed video about that some other time. So anyway, I'm just going to reboot the router. Alright, you'll see that the Wi-Fi will now go off. Yeah, go off. See there, little stars there. So that means that the Wi-Fi is off. Alright, now it's on again. And now, if we go do a speed test, it should be working. The Wi-Fi is very slow here though. We're on a 4 megabyte line, but we will never be making that. Yep, that's our Wi-Fi speed right now. Thank you, Telkom. Telkom sucks, just so you guys know. Alright, so that's all. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.